I know that you're clicking on this video because you're looking for a way to make money online. Last week, I got paid and I will show you right now. Can you see this money? I got paid last week just by doing some tasks, doing some things every single minute, every single hour, and every single day. And at the end of the week, I got paid. And today, I'm going to list out the secret website that I use in making all this money. My name is Father Joe, and this is what I do for a living. And I want you to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Don't go anywhere, sit down and watch this video. I will teach you step-by-step process, the website, what you need to do in order for you to make this money. Wait, you may think I am scamming you. I am not in any way scamming you. I want to help you make money online. Making money online is real. So watch me teaching you step-by-step process on how you can make this money. So without time wasted, let's start the video. So this is the website that we are going to be using and making all this money. So pay attention and watch me carefully. So what you need to do here is for you to go down and read their terms of services, read their terms of use, read everything about the website. Then after that, you click these three dots. Can you see these three dots? Click the three dots. When you click it, you go down. Can you see register? Click on register. So this is the page for registration. So what you need to do is for you to go down and fill in all the necessary information. So fill in this one: first name, last name, username, your gender, right? Can you see? Choose whether you're a male or you're a female. Then put in your email address. Then for this place, you're going to see Father Joe 234. Or if you don't see it, so kindly put Father Joe 234 as the referral code. Then for this password, grade your password. Then for the confirm password, kindly confirm the password that you input here in this password place. Then the next thing is for you to do is for you to read this in before you sign. Can you see here? Creating multiple account is highly prohibited. One account per person. You're not allowed to create more than one account here. So after that, click on sign up. So this is the dashboard of my account in nairaworkers.com. Can you see welcome Father Joe 234? Can you see hire many random workers? So we are not interested in this one for now. So this is exactly what we are interested in. Perform simple small tasks. So this is where we are going to click and they will pay us for doing the job, right? Click here to view available jobs. Wow, this is amazing. So I'll click it. So this is available jobs. So let me go down and show you something. Always check back for more jobs. Can you see there are so many jobs here that you can do and make a lot of thousands of naira. But before that, let me explain how this website works. There are thousands of people out there posting jobs here, looking for people to do them. And when you do it, they will pay you for doing the job, right? So that's exactly how this website works. So there are so many works here that you can do and they will pay you. Can you see this one? Scholarship Finder, 14 naira. Join the Telegram group, 11 naira. XT Vibes TV. So there are so many jobs here that you can do. Let me just look for a job here and do. And can you see this one? Highest paying. So if you click this one, you'll be seeing jobs that they are paying a lot of money and you do them and you'll be getting paid. Let me look for a work here and do. Can you see this one? Join Telegram channel. So let me click this one. The amount is 14 naira. So after I've done this job, they'll pay me 14 naira for doing the job. So let me click view jobs. So can you see your job details? And let me go down and show you what is expected from workers. Join the Telegram channel for bid prediction and more. So the owner of this job is telling us to click this link and join the Telegram channel. Then after that, what are we going to show the owner of the job that we have done it? So that's exactly what you're seeing here. Require proof that task was finished. So the owner of this job is telling us your name only. So can you see name? So you're going to put the name that you're using in your Telegram here. Can you see this space bar? Click here and put in your name and submit. When you submit, then you're good to go. Then click the three dots again and check available jobs. You'll see so many jobs here. There are so many jobs here that you can do, and at the end of the day, you discover that you have made a lot of thousands of money right here in this website. So to withdraw from this website, kindly click the three dots here and go to wallet. Then you go down. Okay, you go down. Can you see withdraw earnings? So this is the place that we are looking for. Withdraw earnings. So click on withdraw earnings. So this is a page for withdrawing. Can you see you can withdraw your earnings when you earn over 1,999, and you can withdraw this money every week. Guys, I love this. I've been using this platform to make a lot of money. So if you have any question on this, so guys, simply ask me in the comment section. I am here to answer it all. Can you see here? Please make sure your bank details are updated in your profile. So click here to put in your bank details and you're good to go. So see you guys in my next video, and bye for now. I love you all.